Here's how you can turn on professional mode for Facebook in 2025. Start by opening the Facebook app, or you can visit facebook.com in a browser. Since I already have professional mode enabled on my main account, I'll switch to a different one to show you the process. First, tap on the menu icon, which is typically represented by 3 lines. From there, you'll need to go to your profile. Just tap on your profile icon or name at the top. Once you're on your profile, look for the Edit Profile button. Right next to it, you'll see a button with 3 dots. Tap on that. A menu will appear, and right there you should see an option labeled Turn on Professional Mode. Just tap on it. You'll get an overview explaining that professional mode lets you get paid for content, view insights, and grow your audience. To proceed, tap the blue Turn On button. Facebook will then guide you through a few setup steps. For example, it may ask you to choose a default audience. I'll select Friends here and then tap Confirm. You might also see options related to monetization tools. Depending on your account, some features may not be available right away. That's normal. Once you've completed the setup, it's a good idea to close and reopen the Facebook app. Now, if you go back to your profile and tap the 3 dots again, you'll notice the option has changed. Instead of saying Turn on Professional Mode, it will now say Turn off Professional Mode, which confirms it's active. With Professional Mode enabled, you gain access to analytics, the ability to run ads, and a follow button on your profile, opening up more opportunities to grow your presence. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It really supports the channel. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more app tutorials.